I've owned this Amazon Basics dehumidifier for under a year. I've got it down in my basement. Ran okay for about the first 5 or 6 months, but now half of the coils are all freezing over. You can see the ice down there. About half of it's frozen up, and it's only been running for about a day. It's summertime, temperatures are good down here. It's about a consistent 70 degrees down here in my basement. So it's not an outside temperature issue, it's probably a sensor. Just overall bad quality product from Amazon, and I would not recommend buying it.
Okay, so here is the dehumidifier on its just normal setting, and then this is a boost setting. So I'll have you listen to the normal. And that is the boosted setting. So it's definitely noisy, but I think it's as loud as a fan is, so I kind of just use it as white noise as I sleep. It's pretty perfect.